Hey everyone, and welcome back to Healthcare Essentials channel. Today, we're talking about something incredibly important for anyone over the age of 45, strength training. And I want to be crystal clear about this. If you've hit that milestone, strength training is no longer just an option. It's not something you do to look good at the beach. It's the single most powerful tool you have to protect your body for the decades to come. It's your defense against bone loss, your shield against debilitating falls, and your best weapon to stop that natural age-related muscle decline right in its tracks. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend hours in the gym or learn 100 complicated exercises. In fact, you can build a resilient, stronger body with just 4 foundational movements. These are the exercises that give you the biggest bang for your buck, targeting the areas that matter most as we age. So, let's get right into it. First up, the king of all lower body exercises, the squat. And no, you don't even need a heavy barbell. Simple bodyweight squats are incredibly effective. Think about it, every time you sit down and stand up, you're doing a squat. By practicing this movement, you're strengthening your legs, your hips, and your core. This is your body's foundation for balance and mobility. The stronger your squat, the more stable you'll be on your feet, dramatically reducing your risk of falls as you get older. Next, exercise number 2 is the push-up. Now, don't be intimidating. You don't have to be doing military-style push-ups on the floor. You can start with wall push-ups, which are fantastic, or you can do them on your knees. The version doesn't matter as much as the consistency. Push-ups build incredible upper body strength, protecting your delicate shoulder joints and keeping your chest and arms strong enough to handle all the lifting, pushing, and carrying you do in everyday life, from groceries to grandkids. Moving on to exercise number 3, the row. For this one, you can use resistance bands, light dumbbells, or even a couple of water jugs. The modern world has us constantly hunched over desks and phones, leading to that rounded forward posture. Rows are the antidote. They pull your shoulders back, strengthen your upper back muscles, and help bring your posture back into proper alignment. This is critical for protecting your spine, especially as bone density can naturally start to decline with age. A strong back is a healthy back. And finally, our 4th powerhouse move, the deadlift. Again, forget the images of powerlifters lifting hundreds of pounds. We're talking about a modified version using light dumbbells or even a loaded backpack. The deadlift is a master movement for strengthening your entire posterior chain delts, your hamstrings, your glutes, and your lower back. This group of muscles is your body's built-in anti-injury shield. Keeping it strong is one of the best things you can do to prevent back pain and stay active and pain-free for years. So, there you have it. Squats, push-ups, rows, and deadlifts. That's the core 4. Aim to perform these exercises just 2 to 3 times a week. That's it. By focusing on these fundamental movements, you will move better, you will feel stronger, and you will be protecting your future self in ways that cardio alone simply cannot. If you found this helpful and want more simple science-backed strength routines designed specifically for adults over 45, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your physician or qualified healthcare provider before starting any new exercise, diet, or health program, especially if you have existing medical conditions.